Town is all about the good and the bad that comes with growth happening all across Central Texas.
And tonight, we turn to the growing pains of trying to expand I-35 through Austin.
KVUE's Jessica Cha joins us here in the studio now with new developments in the legal fight for land that TxDOT needs to expand I-35. Jessica?
Brian, Quita, I've been speaking with an Austin attorney who represents dozens of property owners being displaced due to the upcoming expansion. He says the Texas Department of Transportation is filing lawsuits against several of them, which is just another step in the long legal fight to acquire their land. Luke Ellis, a partner at Mars, Ellis & Hodge, specializes in eminent domain and condemnation proceedings. He says when the state government sues to take a private property owner's land after offering a certain amount of money for it, property owners have a right to challenge what they believe is a fair amount of compensation. Ellis says because of significant increases in property value and city code, he says what TxDOT has been offering his clients is way below what they deserve for businesses that have been operating for decades in the same place. KVUE was able to find at least 8 properties with active pending cases with TxDOT. Some recognizable ones are Wainwright Injury Lawyer's Office, Dreamers and La Rouge Adult Pleasure Store, Escuelita del Alma, and Austin I. Ellis says the Austin Chronicle is reaching the end of their litigation.
And in many instances, the biggest frustration for these property owners is that the value that they've been offered to take their property by the government doesn't come anywhere close to the amount of money it would take them to set up another like-kind position in Central Austin. So this is a huge frustration for my clients that are operating ongoing businesses that are being wiped out by the government.
Ellis says they will proceed with litigation. He says there will be a special hearing where appointed commissioners place a value on the property. And if neither party agrees on the amount the government should pay, then it will go to a jury trial. And he says those will likely happen in 2025. Ellis says he predicts TxDOT will continue filing lawsuits. He says for business owners being displaced and are not satisfied with the amount of money being offered to you by the state, you should hire your own property appraiser and talk to an eminent domain attorney about your options. We did also reach out to TxDOT for comment, and they said that they use an independent appraiser but wouldn't discuss terms of any specific offerings.